Here's a simple truth about data analytics interviews. Nobody wants to just hear that you know Excel and SQL. They want to see you turn data into a decision. And that's exactly what a good Power BI dashboard does. A dashboard isn't just a pretty chart. It's a tool that lets a manager glance at it and immediately understand what's working, what's not, and what needs attention. That's a skill companies are actually hiring for. The good news? Power BI is one of the fastest analytical tools to genuinely get good at because it's visual, it's intuitive, and once you understand few core concepts like data modeling and DAX formulas, you can build dashboards that's genuinely professional. In our Finprov data analytics course, dashboard building isn't an afterthought, it is a core project. You'll walk away with real dashboards for your portfolio, not just certificates to list in LinkedIn. If you want your resume to actually stand out in this job market, having live dashboard projects to show is how you do it. Check the link below and let's build yours.